Hello, good morning, dear friends all over the world. Good morning from my location is good morning time. I can't really speak so much because of where I am. Ụmụnne m good people of Biafra, ndị Biafra ndị nọ ebe a maka ebe m nọ kịta bụ ụlọikpe. So ana m video ife a ka unu mfụ because I don't allow ime video ebe a, but I was like trying to do this so that the people can see. So all these names you are seeing here now is all names of different kind of judges you are seeing down there. I can't really make the video very clearly because of the situation of the people, so that it's not allowed. But the names you are seeing here is different types of judge. You go here, you will see another one also. I'm telling you. So because we're inside the court, it's not allowed. You see outside there, that is the entrance. And here also, you come here, you will see another names. These are names of different judges, in this in this court. So there is reason why I want to reason him to video, but I will explain to you people later. This is the entrance of the court. So like here now, any judge that you want to see, you come here, any case, like somebody, when you have a case or you have something, like just because of why I'm doing this video, because of the situation of our Prime Minister, Mazi Nnamdi, because of we have to start acting. We have to start doing something on his behalf. So you see, you people have seen the whole thing I was showing. This is called entrance. Like when people say that they are writing petition, like some people will make petition, but their petition will go to the petition will go to the police or something like that. But when you want your petition to be more faster than everything, like here now, all the judges they have in this building, like here now they have like where you can come, you write petition so that you will get direct to the judge straight up. Here now is the place you can come, you drop petition without going to the police, so that if you want your case to be here very fast and so quick, here you come here and you put your petition down, whatever you are petition. Because of why I'm doing all this, because of our people, because of we need to rise up. We don't need to be keeping quiet. People will be telling us we are doing fundraising and all this, that our PM is fine, that nothing is that is still under interrogation and all that. All these places are court premises, So but why I'm saying this is you people should be just listen very careful. Ndị Igbo ndị ọma na-ege ntị, gee m ntị ọfụma na maka ife m ji na-eme vidio abụ ka ndị mmadụ mfụ, ka everybody, achọrọ m onye ọbụla na-enweta video ya make sure na this video ga-aga viral, because of like here na the other dom goes unu with different door. This one now another place. Abụ na enwere any petition chọrọ ide na against anybody, or people write petition, chọrọ ide another petition against what they do. This one is another place. If you don't want to go to police, now they talk your petition ka anụ ya ọsịsọ, ka the judge nlebere ya anya, it got direct to the secretary of the judge. Like here, that this are there now, both lawyers and the people who want something to do, and have drop all their petition here. So, and when you write it, okay, make at the judge and listen not to the case very fast. And let's go here now. I have go know the first one. In Kanu, another building. You understand? This is a judge, all the judges in there, but if I hand stand there for in Bana, you see that penal, it means penal. When that penal means that judge, this side of judges are judges that give people sentence. And they can then sentence or anything. Like all these names you are seeing here, all different judge, all judge in the different judges with different apartment, So they have what they are doing. So each one of them, is different judges. As you are seeing, the number is different judges from, like, for example, now you see where you have 1, you have 23, you have that. All these are all different judges. You understand? It's not something that you will come, that this is not a zoo country. This place is we are in a civilized world. Like here now, you see this one as well. You see that these are the names of judges as well also. You understand? So we are not in a zoo country. We are in a civilized world where they make everything open. Why I'm not against anybody. Both our COSO and everybody. But why I'm saying in case when you hear about case, na mmadụ nwere case, why I'm doing this video, maybe some people will not see it more better because of here you can't do video covering, you know. Like why I'm name all these things here. Why did I do this? If I'm made this thing for our people to know that in this place I know now, Western world, you know, which is Europe, you know, there's now Western people. It be about now. Like all these places are, or this place are, this building in here, court building. All these buildings you are seeing both aside, you know, around here. It's anything that have to do with judges and the court. So, but if they make our people can understand this, yes, you know that our COS was telling us that our prime minister then asked him to come for a question. Yes, they asked him to come for that question. So under that question now that they asked him to come for, you know, so like for example, let me give you an example. When they call you for questioning, you know, like something instantly, police are say, I saw you. You know, they offer to go instantly or something that happened immediately in his face that there is an evidence. That one is a different issue. Police can take you, and police don't have no right because of each judge is up in each judge is up in when you know they can work from Monday to Sunday. Once there is anything, the police people, the security people can contact them and ask them what is going on. You know, then we write to the judge and tell them. So the judge now will tell them what to do. Police ain't want any restriction. Police don't have no power. You know, any arm of government that is having arm have no power. It's only people who want the power here. It's only the judiciary. Look at the building here. That all these places are judiciary. These places now are different places you can go to court. Maybe depends where you have court. But I'm just doing this video. I just come here purposely for this video because of our people. You know. So in the judiciary case, police ain't power on you. You know, it's only the judge that have something to say. Police can only detain you, but if you get maybe it will inform the judge. You see, you people, I couldn't afford the whole entrance of the place. These are court. Obuaka zoo court obo ebateba has said why they gave you ebateba that you want right but and then all these people you are seeing, many of them are all police. In other, so Obuaka zoo place you see them are not on most. In other, Obuaka zoo country who give you the right? If you get something like that you can't do that. So Ekpa abu civilized world. So you have any case open you want any case in according to what our COS is saying about because of this video is especially for the release of our Prime Minister Mazi Nnamdi, because of we need to do something. We have to raise protests. You know, like if all these places now, these places are different kind of courtrooms that will be seen upstairs. You know, you can have feature here. Or it's different kind of courtrooms. So the Amponai raise the protest the same way Finland people she will raise, you know. Finland, there is many countries. According to I have listened to many people on social media. I said there is a lot of pressure on the Finnish government. Yes, the same way have pressure because of this country, these Europeans what then check, and if what then listen is the attitude of the people. Okay, the Finland people, the Finland country now then will be watching now. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Then we'll be checking, what about his people? His people, nobody is doing nothing. That everybody is sleeping. You know, we are talking about how we do fundraising. But them, how can I check what is the opinion of the people? Okay, if I made you know, only that day when the restoration and declaration of restoration of Biafra, no. We have to release more pressure on these people for them to know that one madu no one madu. Now saying that he's communicating with his family, he's communicating that everything is fine. No, it's not like that. Because of you, they caught up in our here now. That is why I'm made this video in the court premises. In our any case of in our then when a lawyer from the day invitation, let me tell you something. I'm going to two ways. Invitation, invitation in the first place. Invitation was something. What then called like then we send you an invitation through through your maybe email or what they call post through post, you know. Send that invitation. When you receive that invitation, then we put the date actually KBA there. In other, they will tell you the day, this day, and so time that we need you to come here. That you have an appointment with judge. That judge is invited, because when you are hearing about they invited somebody, they invited our prime minister, and people will be thinking, oh, that no, it's not. Police doesn't have no judiciary, doesn't have no power to invite nobody. Who have power to invite you is the judge. Understand? When the judge now say, okay, there is many petitions that have come. That is why engineer goes to those places if you want to write petition. But what these people do, they went to the police and said their petition, so that police now will not take up the issues. You know? But you now, each now at the judge, man, something is happening. There is, I need them, which judge, which judiciary, which court now handle the case of our prime minister. That's why we have to start raising questions. We don't need to keep quiet. Yes, I'm not against fundraising. We will do fundraising, but on the money make something. Why? If you name it, when I say that in a mepanife or Madonna Tinego, Gamapanifine Tinego for Mapanifine me for Mapan Prona Meta, but you can name something. The only person, look at what is happening at Alibo, in the Madagona, you know. So you differ about the life you want to live because of the only time. Look at Nigerian government, Nigerian zoo terrorist government. When our prime minister now outside, all of them are on panicking. Okay, now this one now, but another one. In check here, and they got different names. These names you are seeing here are different names of judges. You know, different names of judges and their posts and where they are. The different, all of them they treat different crimes, different things. You know, when judge they treat this one cannot treat this one. That is why you see them. They have them many. I have shown you people the first one. You check Ekpa and offer the same thing here. You know, so like many of these people now, many are lawyers, many are judges. You know, so this here now, but the same thing for here now. All of them, all these names you are seeing are names of judges and here. So let's cut that one aside. So why am I made this video particularly? Because of our people. You know, we need to start because of Ishina about him. You know, since they take our prime minister, Nigerian government zoo terrorist country, here we go there few free will. Name is if I like Rani, we in the bany, who's on the one them but here we should our people. In other, they have their free will and do whatever they like. But that is not the way them. Because of when our prime minister, that is the only person pressure. You see what was happening. You see, talk and do. Not be factual. Upon can make something. Yes, I like the way the Department of Security, if they all their decision, if I with it, all of them are all good. But on this position now, I need to recreate more awareness. We need to bring more tension to the Finland government. We don't need to keep quiet. That is why I'm doing this video. Look at all these buildings they are all court premises. All here, all these things you are seeing here is court. Is court. This is court. This is court building. This one is court building as well. You see how big and how large everything is. So you have right. You can go inside the court and ask whatever you want to ask here. As far as we are in the developer, we are now coming there to do anything. You have is your right. You understand? So I am getting now. All these things will be going on. Nobody said something. Our prime minister on our language. That is when when Anna said they invited him. Okay, yes, quite all right. They invited him. When they invited someone, you know, for this kind of thing, the judge, you know, look at all these places now. Look at all these places, all these things you are seeing here, because. So let me come. So kununa fukwa my face, you know, so, you know. That is why I'm saying all these things, so that our people will know. Because of we need to create more tension. We need to raise protests against Finnish government. I want to get things will spoil. We need to raise tension so that these people are making that our prime minister no one matter. That this is a prime minister of a nation. No, but an ordinary somebody you can just take and put inside cupboard and everybody will just go inside house and sleep. No. One name matter. Here, Yambru name invite whatever. By now, the court, we should know the date and that he will go to court. On that day, people that have the privilege to go inside the court will go inside court. The privilege, the court are not outside, but to any careful crowd there. Because of this is how they are going to judge it. Because of in this Western world, nobody Yibo, na Europe, West, these people believe on the opinion of the people. Okay, if anything none on the street, what happens on the street, all of them are the part of the things I get you with judge whatever they are judging. So we don't need to keep quiet. Yes, we agree, but we have to do something. You have no protest raise you against the against the Finland government with the Nigerian zoo terrorists with what they are accusing them. We need to raise protests. Now, this thing that you people are doing is not like this. That these people, you people are saying here that we will not take it. We need to do something. We need to do something, but quick as possible. And to our deputy prime minister, COS, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, I respect you so much. You're a nice lady, but you need to do more. We need more. We are people. As a mother you are, you're supposed to understand the kind of children that you have. You know that the children, the way to handle kids, nimani ijiko maka do easy. So no bu if onye can choro na onye can choro, onye can choro another thing, onye cause that choice for. So on this form now, our deputy prime minister, we are telling you that we need more. I need more than talk. Now you want to go to what do you call it? Damage. Dr. Damage television. Dr. Damage, what are you going to preach there? Okay, is it on the Dr. Damage platform? What Biafrans we need to do? Or now Dr. Damage platform, Biafrans, what we have to do to release our prime minister? No. We have to start doing something so that the release of our prime minister will happen as quick as possible. Any date we want to know where is the court date, because of I'm telling you, I know about how the system of judiciary work. That is why I'm doing that. But out here behind the court premises, name made this video for everybody. So that is why I'm doing. We need to say something. We don't need to keep quiet. We need to put pressure more and more. Thank you so much. Now, anywhere you are receiving this video from, my good people of Biafra, viral. Thank you so much, and subscribe to our channel. This is a USB gospel. Subscribe to our channel because we have more information. We have more things we'll be dropping every day and every hour. Okay, thank you, and God bless. Bye.